What's going on, fam? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and we got a new optic in. Let's go. Like I said, family, we got a new optic in, and this is another closed emitter dot, man. A lot of you guys have been leaving comments and hit me up on Instagram, sending us emails. And look, a new optic just hit the market from a company, a reputable company that have been in the optic plate game, are now released some optics. You guys know who it is. C&H Precision Works. They just released a line of optics. They released three different types of optics. They released this one right here, the Duty. They released the competition style, which kind of reminds me of the Trijicon SRO. And then they released the carry option, which reminds me of something like a Hollow Sun 4 or 507. Like I said, we have the Duty version here. We're gonna unbox this thing. I know you guys are just as interested as I am. Haven't really looked in this package and I don't know what we got. So enough talking. Let's head over to the table and unbox this. Alright guys. So as you see it, we have the C&H Precision Duty. Here's a look at the box. As you can see the features. 10 levels of brightness, motion control, shake to awake, 50,000 hours of battery life, CNC machine one-piece body, 100% shockproof, and waterproof IPX7 1 meter for 30 minutes. And here's the packaging. It's great packaging. This is their Duty model. And the reticle is a 3 MOA dot, and the color is red. They also have this in the green, but I decided to go ahead and get red because the green was sold out. The magnification is 1x, lens diameter 16 millimeter, elevation and windage range 45 MOA, total 90 MOA. The click value 1 MOA per click. Dot size, 3 MOA. Dot color, we got the red. Parallax free, up to 33 yards. Dot brightness setting, like I said, it's 10 levels. And it has the shake awake, shockproof, and waterproof. Again, here's the packaging. So I know what you guys want to see. So let's dive right into it. This is how it looks when you take it off. Has this little styrofoam. They have a nice cleaning cloth. Comes with a battery, warranty and manual. This is their 3 optics, the 3 new optics they have. Alright, now let's get into the packaging. What else is left? It's an Allen key. Another Allen key. And the actual dot. Alright, so here's the actual closed emitter dot. Now let's open this up here. It's pretty nice right here. Definitely nice build quality. You guys can see. Definitely nice build quality. This is the battery door. It's your windage and elevation. This right here is your brightness up and down. This thing is nice right here. Let's put the battery in and see if you guys can see the actual dot. Alright guys, so I got the battery in. The battery is very, very easy to install. It actually, you just unscrew the door and you screw it right back in. Let's see if you guys can actually see the dot. Man, I can't get it. There it is right there. Of course the camera makes the dot look extremely bigger than what it is. This is on the brightest setting. Again, this thing is made with extreme quality. So what we'll do now, let's go ahead and grab a firearm, and I'll get this thing mounted on my firearm, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here you have the C&H Precision Duty. This firearm is clear, as you can see. In order to mount this, I use the Apex Tactical for the FN509. It's a flush fit mount. You don't need the required plates and stuff that come with the FN. This is actually a flush fit mount, so it actually is perfect. I can co-witness with the dot with these suppressor height sights on here. And as you guys can see, this C&H Precision Duty looks really, really, really good on this FN, man. I have no complaints about it. Like I said, when you see these things in pictures, you see these things on video, they look humongous. But when you get one on your firearm, it's actually not that big. Let me see if I can give you guys a picture with the dot. There's the dot right there. As you can see, I can co-witness with my front and rear sight. And it's just a good sight picture for me, man. This C&H Precision Duty seems to be built very, very well. Seems to be built with quality. Definitely gonna put this thing to the test. So like I said, this was just an unboxing video. I wanted you guys to see what actually comes in the box, the actual quality of the actual dot itself. And I can say, man, it's a 10 out of 10 for me right now. I'm going to get this thing on the range, get this thing zeroed in, and put it through some tests, man, to see exactly how good this thing is. I'm not going to be throwing it on the ground, dropping it, man. This is for everyday use. So I'm going to put it to some everyday use scenarios. So like I said, this was just an unboxing. Make sure you check out the next video I do after I get this thing zeroed in and just get some rounds down range with it, man. Like I said, for right now, straight out of the box, unboxing, it seems like a great close emitter red dot to have. Putting it on this FN509 definitely looks great. It definitely has a flush look for what you get for having a mailbox per se on top of your firearm. So it's definitely a flush good look. So yeah, thanks guys. Yes sir. Hey, look here, C&H, you might be on to something. Hey, that C&H Duty looks amazing. I can't wait to get this thing to the range and give it a shot, man, run it through its paces. Have you already used the C&H Duty? Let me know. Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you've been checking it out, man, maybe you want to give the C&H Duty a try, man. Let's talk about it. If you use it, you don't like it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. Or if you wouldn't even give it a shot because it's a new company releasing a new optic. Let's talk about it all in the comments below, man. Let's just help each other get better. But look here, they're talking. I'm anxious to get over to the range and give this thing a try. Be sure to check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll catch you on the next one.